Success is the latest flagship rural development program supported by the European Union in Pakistan with 82 million euros. It is our flagship project because it aspires to implement the project exclusively through the women of Sindh. That means it is women who form community institutions at settlement, community and district levels. The idea is to link the people with government service delivery departments and political representatives. 3 years into its implementation, the implementing partner rural support programs have mobilized almost 500,000 households into 25,000 community organizations, 2,800 village organizations, and 192 local support organizations. In 8 program districts of Sindh, the Government of Sindh, the European Union, through the Success projects and the rural support programs, are working with these women-led organizations to help their most vulnerable communities by providing grants through revolving funds for income-generating activities and vocational training, reducing household health expenditures by providing micro-health insurance to the poorest households, building and maintaining community-level water and sanitation projects, promoting increasing enrollment rates in schools, immunization of children and women and hygiene practices, and civil rights in collaboration with government service departments, contributing to the reduction in the undernutrition amongst children that so hinders their mental and physical development. By the end of the project, the women will have organized over 750,000 households. Of these, 30% will be lifted out of poverty and 70% will have improved services. Success will increase the ability of women's institutions to influence local government policy and priorities. In all 8 Success program districts, the government has established joint development committees at district level. These committees include representatives of local government authorities, line departments, and representatives of Women Local Support Organization. This is a brand new initiative that seeks to involve the organized communities directly in government development planning. Recently, in 2 districts, the government line departments, example Agriculture, Forestry, Election Commission, even signaled their intent to deliver their extension services and supplies through the community's local support organizations. Success is part of the largest grassroots poverty reduction initiative in Pakistan, which is a partnership with the Government of Sindh. Success is part of a province-wide poverty reduction program in Sindh province that is taking a community-driven local development approach. Success is based on the Government of Sindh's own Union Council-based poverty reduction program, which has been implemented in 4 districts of Sindh. Through Success, the European Union agreed to extend the program designed by the government to another 8 districts of Sindh. Moreover, at its own cost, the Government of Sindh has expanded its own program to a further 6 districts. Together, Success and the Union Council-based poverty reduction program will benefit a total of 1.8 million households, almost 12 million people in Sindh. The European Union also supported the Government of Sindh through the technical assistance component to develop a poverty reduction strategy and community-driven local development policy. The Government of Sindh has approved the poverty reduction strategy and will use it as a strategic framework for future interventions in poverty reduction. Under the poverty reduction strategy, the government now intends to expand the community-driven local development-based program to the 6 remaining rural districts and to address urban poverty, starting with the rural areas of Karachi. That would bring the number of districts covered by this groundbreaking partnership between the government, European Union, and rural support programs to all rural districts of Sindh. Thus, in the next 5 to 7 years, 18 million of the poorest people in the province of Sindh will be impacted. One feature of the poverty reduction strategy foresees the establishment of rural growth centers. From these rural hubs, improved facilities and services such as schools, health centers, markets, etc. will be made more easily accessible to people in surrounding villages. The European Union is proud to partner with the Government of Sindh and the rural support programs.